Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is part 2 of putting in the garden lights. Today, all I have to do is heat shrink some cables and run the rest of the wire down to the end and heat shrink the last light on the end. Click here, up here to see the second video. You should always watch the first video before the second. I put the last light in where the cable stopped for the first set, but now I have to chop that cable and lengthen it, which means I have to take the last light off, put it at the very end, and then solder up with the soldering heat shrink from that light to the rest of the strand. Let's get to it. These are the tools I am going to be using. So this here is the last light. I need to chop it here, get some of this heat shrink here in that container, heat shrink it from there, and the cable that's all up in there. I should have got that ready, but anyway. And then connect the end of that wire to this light here, as this is where the cable stops inside of here. And I really can't be bothered pulling that apart and potentially wrecking the waterproof casing of the wire. Okay, now you'll see a time lapse of me Look at this, guys, I got a spare in case one breaks for whatever reason, because either the dogs run into it or someone isn't looking where they're going and steps on it and smashes it. But anyway, here's a new one to replace one of these. Let's take some cinematic shots, how about that?
I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.